Kgotsong bana ba Mokgalabe. Le one ke tlo bolela ka Ausio. Wa bona Ausio ke mmele mo. Ausio ke mmele mo. Ga ke tsibi gore ke lebitso la ga ba re ke Tshepiso. Ke Tshepiso. O ka re ke ngaka Tshupa. Ga ke tsebe ke ngaka Tshupa gore ke eng. Bana ba Mokgalabe ke tlo addressa tabe ko masioneng, especially bana ba Mokgalabe. Bana ba naledi. Kopa le ska mo fetola motho. Gore le ska fetola se sa se bolelang gore ka mo di commenting tshela really gore le ska bela mo fetola obane ntwa nyakang ke gore o nyaka gore o dira content ka lebitso la kereke ene we potsa ene ya no ya mofa di like bano ke re ne ya mofa so e re tle re botse something gore wena o ka bolela ka mogho bolelang wa ipotsa lo wena lo tso di bolelang o right o tsama mo mmileng o mo right e re nna re tle re botse gore wa bona mabaka wa bolelang o iputsa gore ke bohlale mme re nna re tsebise gore wa iphora o bona le tso bolelang wa iphora gore masione le sekela mo fetola bobane re gore le ska mo fetola ke tsebe ana ke tsebe o tla o tsaya message oro mo tsaya bjang a ke itse but nna ke tlo botsa ke botsa polela ke go roge ke wa o botsa so le tso di bolelang o sa ipotsa o ka re ke bohlale wa iphora o na le batho ba bona dinga ka tshupitse dintshi banong re tseba dinga ka tshupi re tseba dinga ka tshupitse di sione di tlogele da o bereka mere mishumo ya bona banong a wa mothomo a o sibile ka se wa ba felelo.
Hi there, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. So there's this lady, her name is Tshepiso. She used to be a ZCC member, and now she calls herself a Sangoma or Angaka Chupe or a prophet, something like that. And she's been doing multiple videos about the church of the ZCC, basically calling out, ZCC people, ZCC prophet based on her experiences. She's done multiple videos. Now, this guy, Rasanyaka, he is rather a member of the Zion Christian Church, and he urges members of the church to refrain from engaging with Tsepi's content because, according to him, Tsepi's just fishing for views at the expense of the ZCC church. He says that she is fishing just for engagement, so people should stop doing that, because Tsepi has been very much vocal about her experiences in the church of the Zion Christian Church. She has been calling out people of the ZCC church who are under her comment section, trying to stop her from speaking about the church. What do you guys think about this? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Like this video and do make sure that you do share it so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video.